Today I'll be teaching you how to do a back. Step number 1. First, we have to warm up. First, we're going to do a full. So you're going to put your feet on your head. Like this. I think you should do that fast. You should do that for 15 seconds. And then after you did the pull down, you should go lie on your back. And then you're going to push up into a break. You should also hold that for 15 seconds. And then when we're finished warming up, and now we're going to do the back. So you're practically just going to walk down with the wall, against the wall, and then when you come at the bottom, you're just going to walk like this. Just like that. And then if you keep repeating the process, you will be able to do the back bend like this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And keep being flexible. Bye!